Section A, Part A, fill in the blanks. These are the answers. Programming language, this is flowchart. This one is editor, then keyword, it is variable, hierarchy. B part is state true or false. These are the answers. First three are false and the last three are true. These are the answers for the application based questions. The answer of the first one is relational operators and the answer of the second one is math.min. This is a function we can use for calculating the minimum number out of the two given numbers. Now comes section B, MCQ part. So the answer of the first one is algorithm. Answer of the second part is decision. Answer of the third part is this B part, that is apostrophe. Answer of fourth part is this double quotes. Fifth part is right line, and for the sixth one you have to tick mark this B part. This is a concatenation operator we use for concatenating two strings. Now comes answer in one word B part. First one is Vijay Raji. Second one is integrated development environment. Third one is F5. Fourth one is 14. Fifth one is math.abs. Sixth one is read. And seventh one is IntelliSense. You have to do the seventh one also. Please don't cut it. Okay. Now let's come on the C part. Answer the following. Explain the two types of variables in small basic. So as we all know that there are two types of variables. The two types of variables in small basic are numeric variables and alphanumeric. So this is the answer for this question number 1. This is the answer for this question number 2. This is for question number 3. This is for question number 4. This is for question number 5. And this one is the answer of question number 6. Okay, please complete your book work by today. Okay, and learn these question and answers, because I will be giving you a worksheet in your next class to do, and it will be based on these question and answers, and as well as you have to prepare the content which is given in your book if you want to get good marks in that worksheet. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye bye.